This is Emily. She used to get rewarded by her company with gift cards, trophies. They even sent her a blender. But good news for Emily. Her company recently signed on with Blueboard, a better way to reward your employees. This is Emily now.
Blueboard isn't just about adrenaline-filled adventures. It's about spending time outside of the office in the way that's most meaningful to you. You could use your Blueboard reward to take your husband or wife to a much-needed relaxing couples massage, or you could take your family to a behind-the-scenes tour of the zoo. Maybe you want to go chase the northern lights in Iceland. We're all about delivering experiences that create unforgettable memories.
With Blueboard, managers tell us it feels great to send their employees something so personal and meaningful. People love talking about the upcoming weekend getaways or cooking classes they have with their families. Pictures and videos are being posted, stories are being shared. Blueboard creates a palpable energy and excitement around the company culture, something you just don't see with other programs. At the end of the day, your employees will absolutely love this, and it'll make them more proud to work for your company.